Okay, so here in the backyard, I'm gonna introduce all the process of the project. Before it was zero, just ground, nothing was in the back. We start with this beautiful patio, bricks and flagstones, with a nice planting bed. And probably you guys seen before in the other videos. We have these guys working in the driveway, working put up borders with bricks, and it's gonna be gravel inside, and the end is gonna be nice. We work all together here. We put a channel drainage here in front of the garage. That way you can collect all the water coming from the driveway and from the top part of this building, the garage. We put some kind of protection for the guys is gonna put the bricks right here. So it just cover. There's the channel right there. This is that little nice metal grating. So this table only for keep it clean, nothing go inside. In between these guys working, just waiting for this guys finish and I can clear everything. So this side, this part is the nice, beautiful thermal concrete. Right now it's covered. We're gonna clear when all the finished part, the planting and mulch. That way it wouldn't make it dirty. This is so beautiful. Well, in between we do a lot of progress here. This is a little flagstone right here. We put nice supports in the bottom with concrete. That way they don't move, they don't go nowhere. There's gonna be a nice ground cover in between the joints, and the side is gonna be plants.